Hey, this is Giselle from the Great Backyard Place. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to manually vacuum your swimming pool. First off, there's going to be some equipment you're going to need. The first thing that you're going to need is your vacuum pole to put your vacuum head on. You're going to need your vacuum head, preferably with a vinyl liner. You're going to want the one with the bristles so it doesn't hurt the liner. Another one, most important, would be your vacuum hose, and then your vacuum plate that goes into your skimmer. All right, the first step you're going to want to do is attach your vacuum head to your vacuum pole, as seen here. Then the next one is going to be attaching your hose to your vacuum head. You always want to use the swivel end of your vacuum hose to hook onto your vacuum head. Push it down as far as you can go. Once it's attached, you're going to want to slowly put your vacuum head with the hose down into the pool. All right, next thing I'm going to do is attach my vacuum plate to my vacuum hose. And then I'm going to hold it in front of the return to prime the hose, get all the air out of the hose so it creates a good suction. And then you can notice once all the bubbles get out of that vacuum head, then it's primed. Then once your hose is primed, then you can get to vacuuming.